And we're going to divide both sides by -3. And we get something like just 8/3, I guess. Equal to t minus 3 squared. So have you solved it yet or not yet? Keep talking then. All right. So then this is going to be 2.667. Just round it off. Oh wait, sorry, I didn't explain to you how I got that. What's 8 divided by 3? No, not almost 3, man. Like use the calculator. Oh, you don't have a calculator. Okay, yeah. So this, 2.67 is 8 divided by 3. And now, see how I have a square over here? You gotta bring the square on this side. So that becomes square root. T minus 3. So what's the square root of this number here now? 2.6667, yeah. 1.63, yeah. And one thing that you should know is you have a positive answer and a negative answer. Whenever you take the square root of anything now, you should know that there's always a positive answer and a negative answer. So here now, the equation splits into two equations. One that deals with the positive answer and one that deals with the negative answer. So you're gonna have two t values. Yeah. That's what we're gonna do. That's the next step. So we're just gonna have 3. We're gonna get 4.63. Or we're gonna get plus 3 plus negative 1.63. Okay, so remember what I was saying. Whenever you take the square root of any number, you always have a positive answer and a negative answer. So the equation splits into two separate equations now, two realities. One reality in which you're taking the positive answer, the other reality in which you're taking the negative answer. And then you're going to have two possible answers. Okay? So, did you get it or no? Yeah, just use a calculator. Just add them. Okay, there you go. So you finally ask a good question. So they're both positive. So how do you know which one is correct? The answer is both are correct. Both are correct. Basically, what's happening is this. So you can visually see it. You got this going on, right? And a height of 10 meters. Oh, sorry. You have 10 meters, right? So 10 meters, initially, the ball starts below 10 meters. Then it's going to go up, and it's going to reach a height of 10 meters. But then it's going to go past 10 meters, reach a maximum point, and then when it's landing again, it reaches 10 meters again. So the first time it reaches 10 meters, it's around 1.37 seconds. And then when it's on the way down, it reaches 10 meters again at 4.63 seconds. You see what's happening there? Yeah, right over here. Okay. What's the square root of 6? What do you get? So the square root of 6 is 2.449, right? Now I'm gonna give you an easier example. Forget this one. Let's do an actual. Yeah, exactly. See? So you take the negative and you square it, you still get 9, and you take the positive and you square it, you still get 9. So that's why it splits into two, because there's two possible answers. So C, approximately when did the baseball hit the ground? So I'm just gonna copy this. because we're getting too much writing on one page. So we know that when the baseball hits the ground, the height is going to be 0, right? So you're just going to do 0 is equal to negative 3 t minus 3 squared plus 18. So how do we solve this? Easy. Bring the 18 over, so it's negative 18 equal to negative 3 t minus 3 squared. Divide both sides by negative 3. That's going to be 6. 6 is equal to t minus 3 squared. Oh, hold on. I'm going to put it in now. Okay, and now we're going to take the square root of both sides. So square root of 6 is equal to t minus 3. And what is the square root of 6? Okay, let me just do it, yeah. 2.449, yeah. So 2.449, and here we're going to split into its positive and negative values. So we're going to have positive 2.449 is equal to t minus 3, and negative 2.449 is equal to t minus 3. Then we're going to bring the t over, and we're going to add 3 to everything, right? Wait, did I make a mistake here? What's 18 divided by 3? Is that 6? Yeah. Okay, fine. No, I guess I didn't make a mistake. Alright, fine. So bring the 3 over. So it's going to be plus 3. Yeah. Yeah, that's right. Or 0.5 almost. Right? Other way. So there you go. That's the answer. So normally, I think there may be a small mistake with this question. So normally one of these answers it's supposed to be negative. This is 7th, yeah. So normally one of these answers is probably negative, so you really are only supposed to take the positive answer, which is going to be this one here. Yeah, I'll do the long one. It's going to go in the sky and then hit the ground in 5 seconds, right? Yeah. Yeah, one more. One more. All right, question number 8. Go for it. Read. Sorry. Okay, fine. Let me start. I'm just waiting for my family to leave. All right. So yeah, let's read the question. So it says the owner noticed that the maximum daily profit the company has made is $1,200, and this occurred when it was sold for $65, right? So this is my maximum point. So H and K are 1,200 and 65. Vice versa. Sorry. So K value is 1,200, H is 65. Now this is my equation. Profit is equal to some value A times D minus 65 squared plus 1,200. D being the price of the dress, and P being profit, and A, we don't know what A is yet. But we can solve for it because we were given a point. We know that if we sell for $50, the profit is 900. So we're going to plug that in. So 900 is equal to A, which is our unknown value, 50 minus 65 squared plus 1,200. Now that's set up. You should know how to do it, right? What's this? 15 squared. What's 15 squared? Is it 225? Let me just do it. Yeah, 225. 225 A plus 1,200. Oh, actually, you know what? Forget the 1,200. It's going to go over minus 300. A is equal to minus 300 for 225. And that is equal to what? 1200. Yeah. And then if you set the price to 60, what would the profit be? You know how to do this now. 60 minus 65 squared plus 1200. That's obviously 5 squared, that's 25. So then just multiply the 25 plus 1200. That's going to be negative 100. Or 3 plus 1200. And we know that's negative 33.3 plus 1200. So you should get something like 11, what is it, 66.7, roughly speaking. Okay. All right, I think that's it.